Hey guys, my name's Carolina Ceballos, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Google's Be Internet Awesome website. So as you can see, I'm starting off on Google's homepage and I'm going to be searching up Be Internet Awesome, and it pops up on my history, so click there. We're going to click on the first site that pops up, and this is the Be Internet Awesome website that Google designed. And a short overview of what the website's about is to make the most of the internet. Kids need to be prepared to make smart decisions. Be Internet Awesome teaches kids the fundamentals of digital citizenship and safety so that they can explore the online world with confidence. So if you go to the top again, and on the right hand corner there's tabs about what the internet site's about, what families can use with it, and what educators can use with it. Now for the educators part, we're going to click on that, and it starts off with a short video. Now Be Internet Awesome has a great tool called the Interland. It's a game. It's essentially a game that students can play, and it's an online adventure packed with online games that makes learning about digital safety and citizenship interactive and fun, just like the internet itself. Here, kids will help their fellow internauts combat badly behaved hackers, phishers, oversharers, and bullies by practicing the skills they need to be good digital citizenships. Now, you can play now either on here, or if this is being used for a classroom, if you scroll down, there's Interland for School Chromebooks. Now this can be installed directly into the Chromebooks that are provided by your school, instead of just having to search it online, so students can have it right there on their own Chromebook. Now for teachers, if you're unaware of what types of tools or what information you need about showing your students how to be internet safe, then you can download this 5 quick tips for each pillar of internet code of awareness to help you be safe and smart and positive. So this is a great tool. Overall, the Be Internet Awesome website is an amazing tool for students and teachers, so I really hope you take advantage of it, and thank you.